Immigration Canada has invited 1,500 new applicants for permanent residency to Canada. Yan po sa nakalipas na July 6 draw ng Express Entry. And the good news is, ibabalik na po muli nila ang 1 month to 6 months lang na processing time. Yan ay makalipas ang matagal na slowing down during the pandemic. Alam nyo, sa Express Entry, you can come to Canada permanent resident na kaagad. Kasama pa ninyo ang inyong buong pamilya. You just have to follow and provide all the required documents. So today guys, in our video, abangan ninyo at pag-uusapan natin ang process step by step ng Express Entry Program. So stay tuned! So hello and welcome back! Ito po muli si Ate Menchi ng Menchi's Fil-Can Life. Kumusta kayo? Muli ngayon, nag-iimbita ko sa inyo for another episode ng ating mga maimpormasyon na immigration videos. Thank you very much for always watching my previous videos. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and also the notification bell. You can also send me some comments and share my video to your friends. Disclaimer lang po, ang inyong lingkod ay hindi po isang immigration specialist or not even an immigration expert. Ang ating video ay paghatid lang po ng kaalaman sa inyong lahat base sa aking mga karanasan at mga research about Canada and its immigration programs. Kaya kung hindi ko masagot ang inyong tanong, I try to link you to the most possible links na pwede po ninyong gawing reference. Nga po mga friends, natuloy ang Express Entry Draw noong July 6 at 1,500 ang mga napili o ang na-draw para mag-apply ng kanilang permanent residency application. Yan ay mula sa Federal Skilled Workers Program at Canadian Experience Class. Halos 2 years din po na hindi nag-draw because of the pandemic problems. But now, IRCC has announced na ibabalik nila uli yung bilis ng processing time. 1 to 6 months actually ang target nila. Kaya hopefully, ganun na muli kabilis ang processing ng inyong mga application, and then you will come to Canada as permanent resident kasama pa ninyo ang buong pamilya. So ngayon guys, bibigyan ko kayo ng orientation, a little bit of everything about the Express Entry procedure step by step. Kaya manatili kayong sumusubaybay. Okay guys, let's go. Ituloy na natin. Ang Express Entry po is an online management tool ng Canada para sa mga skilled workers applications. Ano po? Skilled workers meaning may skills kayo. You might be already in Canada or you might be overseas or outside, katulad po ng mga nasa Pilipinas na interesadong magpunta dito. Ang inyo pong lingkod at ang pamilya ko ay pumunta rin dito through the Federal Skilled Workers Program. Pero that time, wala pang Express Entry. Ano po? Ngayon, 3 programa ang nasa ilalim ng Express Entry. Federal Skilled Workers, Federal Skilled Trades, at ang Canadian Experience Class, yung may experience na magtrabaho sa Canada. So, kung wala pa kayong experience dito, most likely you'll be interested on the Federal Skilled Workers Program. You can bring your family, you can come to Canada, PR na kaagad. Ano po? But you have to follow all the requirements para kayo ay ma-approvean kaagad. Ang Express Entry po ay point system na online program. May tinatawag po na Comprehensive Ranking System or CRS score. Bibigyan kayo ng corresponding score base sa inyong qualifications on your work experience, in your education, in your English proficiency, age, and other factors na makikita rin po naman ninyo as you go along. So sa Express Entry, you have to register your profile or put up your profile online. Ano po? At bago nyo gawin yon, meron kayong gagawin muna preliminarily para ma-input nyo na kaagad yung mga resulta. So ito po ang mga steps na dapat nyong daanan para sa express entry application. First of all, you need to take the English test or English language proficiency test, or it could be French language. Because I know you'll be more interested in English, pwede po kayong kumuha ng English test sa IELTS or pwede rin po sa CELPIP. Ang requirement po, you should get at least 7 Canadian benchmark points. Yan po ay base sa inyong reading, writing, speaking, and listening abilities. Mas maganda sana 7 or above. No, mas mataas po ang inyong magiging CRS point. Ang IELTS po sa Pilipinas ay nagkakahalaga ng 11,990 pesos. At may validity po yan na 2 years. Step 2, your education must be assessed. Kung kayo po ay nag-aral sa Pilipinas, then ipapa-assess nyo ang inyong school credentials that it should be equivalent to the Canadian education. Ang college po sa Canada, kung kayo ay nasa Pilipinas, is mas mababa tayo ng 2 years. Kasi dati wala pa tayong grade 12. Ano po? So, to be assessed, you have to contact the assessment institutions. Tinatawag po na Education Credential Assessment or ECA. Pinaka-popular po dyan ang WES, ang World Education Services. Pwede rin naman sa University of Toronto. You can search them up online. At ang procedure dito, ipapadala ninyo ang inyong mga original na papeles from the school sa kanila. And then, kanilang i-assess yan with the tools that they use. At pagkatapos ay isasend nila ang resulta either direct sa embassy or whatever procedure that they have there. The fee is around $200. So sa Pilipinas po yun is about 8,000 pesos. Ang validity ng assessment na ito is 5 years. So gaano katagal bago makuha ang mga ito? Sa English test, mabilis nyo makukuha ang result. Dito po sa assessment, it will take you weeks or months. Kaya talagang gagawin nyo in advance. Okay? Next, granted na meron na kayong English test at meron na kayong education assessed, kasunod na, mag-open na po kayo ng inyong Express Entry profile. So the number 3 step is create your Express Entry profile online. Dito na nga po ninyo input yung inyong English test result, and then your education, your age, your spousal information. May mga points po yan, may corresponding points. At ganun din ang inyong work experience. Ang requirement po is at least 1 year of work experience, paid work experience in your field. Mas maganda po sana kung masatisfy ninyo yung required NOC or occupation. At meron silang sinasabi doon na NOC 0, NOCA, NOCB, at iba pa. So, whatever is your occupation, input ninyo dyan. And then, at the end, malalaman ninyo kung ilan ang inyong score. Sa ngayon po, may cut-off score na more than 500 points. Tumaas nga, medyo tumaas. But anyway, what will happen kung hindi kayo umabot sa 500 points? It's okay. Basta nandyan po kayo sa Express Entry Pool, kasi ang mga probinsya ng Canada ay meron din pong provincial nominee program. Maaaring sila ay makakita ng inyong profile at ma-invite nila kayo. Remember, this is a skilled workers program po. They're looking for your skills. Sapagkat ngayon, there's a big shortage of workers in Canada. So, what's the number 4 step? The number 4 step po is do nothing. Wait, maghintay. Or pwede naman na magsimula na rin kayong mag-asikaso ng inyong mga papeles, yung mga birth certificate, yung mga marital certificate, whatever na maaaring makadagdag sa inyong papeles. Number 5 step, once na kayo ay napili na sa draw, You're getting there. But, you have to collect all the documents needed. May listahan naman po ng mga documents na kailangan nyong isubmit. Kaya, inyo na pong kukolektahin ang lahat ng yan at ipa-file online. So, ang sabi po sa website, once you have been selected, you have 60 days to submit all the required documents. Application na po ninyo ito for permanent residency to Canada. Your PR application is now on its way. So this is the beauty of it now. Online. Hindi mo na nga kailangan ng mga agents ng mga consultant. No po. Hindi ka na magbabayad ng libo-libong piso para sa consultant. Ngayon, you can do it on your own, DIY, because everything is online. So upload, scan and upload your documents online. Fill out all the forms, pay your corresponding fees. Ayan, magkano po ba ang application fee? The application fee is 850 Canadian dollars. At dahil kayo po ay malapit nang pumunta sa Canada, hopefully, you will have to pay the right for permanent residency, $515. This is the list of fees that you need to pay. May mga biometrics fee pa po yan. $85 ang biometric fee kada isang tao. Pwede rin namang per family. And then, ayan, makikita po ninyo ang mga babayaran. Then, submit your complete application form online. Submit your application form online. Lahat po ay nasa website ng ircc.canada.ca. Hindi po kayo maliligaw, basa-basahin nyo lang yan at lahat ng explanation ay naririyan. Number 6. Number 6 na tayo na step. Ang bilis naman, number 6 na kaagad. Okay, number 6 is waiting again. Wait for the approval of your application. Ang sabi ng Minister of Immigration, they're trying their best na ibalik po sa 1 month to 6 months ang approval. Just like before, would you believe during the pandemic, almost 2 years po hindi sila nag-invite ng mga aplikante dahil sa mga problemang nangyari sa panahon ng ating problema sa kalusugan. So ngayon, they're trying their best to make it 1 month to 6 months. Kung lumampas man, maybe they did not reach their goal, but it's okay as long as ma-approvean din ho kayo. Lagi pong sinasabi ng immigration, even in the website, na nobody can tell if you'll be approved or not dahil base po yan sa mga requirements. Sometimes they would send you an email asking na meron kayong kulang na mga papeles. So pinakamaganda na po, make sure na lahat ng inyong mga documents ay kompleto para mabilis ang approval. Paano nyo malalaman kung kayo na-approve na? They will send you a notice. Maybe in your email. Ano po? Nako, nung panahon po namin, puro sulatan pa. Masusulat pa sila. Hintayin pa namin dumating yung sulat through mail bago pa namin malalaman. Ano po? But now, everything is online. Email na lang. At pag kayo nabigyan na ng notice na kayo ay approved, hihingi nila ang inyong passport. Ipapadala nyo ang inyong passport through a courier. And then in just a few days or weeks, babalik po sa inyo ang inyong passport na meron ng nakalagay na, nakadikit na ang inyong visa doon. And then, meron pa mga instructions kung anong inyong gagawin ng mga orientation and everything else will be given to you as the final instructions. Okay guys, so ganun lang kabilis. Madali lang pong sabihin pero maraming ihahandang dokumento. But one thing is being assured, sa express entry, gusto nila maging express ito. Ano po, mas mabilis kumpara nung una. So guys, those are the basic steps on how the express entry works and how you can apply at express entry. Ano ho? So kung kayo interesado, you can start browsing ircc.canada.ca or i-type lang po ninyo sa inyong browser dyan ng Express Entry to Canada and then it will show up. And next time, I will try my best to give you more information about Express Entry, kung paano ang pag-create ng profile, at iba pang mga bagay-bagay. So again, salamat sa inyong panonood. At kung nagugustuhan po ninyo ang ating content sa ating channel, you can subscribe. You can also click the like button, the notification bell, write some comment. Kung hindi ko masagot po ang lahat ng inyong tanong, it's because I am not an immigration expert, but I try my best to link you to a possible answer to your question. Maraming salamat sa inyong palaging panonood. I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.